We are currently experiencing the worst winter documented in Fairbanks, which is currently -80 Fahrenheit. We have unofficial reports of snow being taller than most residents in the city, though these could be doctored. The weather conditions that have produced the storm are at an intensity never before seen in the city. The city's authorities and the NWS have.
This is not a test. The National Weather Service has issued a dangerous weather advisory for the city of Fairbanks, Alaska. We have confirmed that snow levels have reached more than 6 feet tall, as well as the extremely cold weather being catastrophic to most humans without proper weather gear. Remember to shelter in place, as being outdoors in these conditions is incredibly dangerous to your health. A state of emergency has been issued for the immediate area. Reminder, do not go outside at this time. This message will repeat for 3 hours, then normal broadcasting will likely resume unless conditions continue to deteriorate. This is not a test, and this message has been verified by the United States Department of Defense. Earlier this week, we have been informed that there is likely a group of criminals attempting to lure unsuspecting residents out into the cold and likely kill them once they exit their homes. For your own safety, do not exit your house at this time. Please begin rationing whatever food you have at this time, as it is not safe to exit your homes. If any of these criminals attempt to enter your home, you are within your rights to defend yourself with any means available, including firearms. This is all for now. When we have more details, we will inform you.
Safety, exit your house.
Reminder to go outside at this time.
For all, you cannot escape the snow. You will be like us.
This is not a test. This is a civil danger warning for Fairbanks and surrounding areas. Shelter in place. Through an unknown supernatural event, the snow itself has been revealed to be attacking human beings throughout the town of Fairbanks. Barricade all entrances to your home immediately, as these entities are extremely dangerous and will kill you if they have the chance. Once again, do not go outside. Contingency options are being considered.
Go outside at this time. Reminder. Go outside at this time. Reminder.
You cannot escape.